Pakistan's political, economic, and security landscape saw several major developments on Friday with key announcements on foreign relations, fuel prices, provincial budgeting, and border security. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif held a telephone conversation with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, during which both leaders discussed recent Iran-US negotiations and regional peace efforts. According to the Prime Minister, the two leaders agreed that the next phase of Iran-US talks must be guided by dialogue and diplomacy while remaining vigilant against any attempts to undermine the peace process. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif thanked Saudi Arabia for its support of Pakistan's peace efforts and congratulated the Crown Prince on the signing of the Islamabad peace deal. Meanwhile, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar is set to attend the fourth meeting of the R4 group in Cairo on June 21st. The meeting will bring together the foreign ministers of Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Pakistan to discuss regional developments and exchange views on issues related to peace, security, and stability. On the economic front, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Suhail Afridi presented the province's budget for the fiscal year 2026-2027. The budget outlay stands at 2.17 trillion rupees and carries an estimated fiscal deficit of 48 billion rupees. Afridi said PTI lawmakers in the provincial assembly had unanimously decided to present the budget. He stated that the provincial government would not seek loans to cover the deficit and instead plan to meet the shortfall through its own resources. In another major development, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif announced a substantial reduction in fuel prices following a decline in international oil prices. The government has announced a 74 rupee per litre cut in petrol prices and a 67 rupee reduction in high-speed diesel prices. The Prime Minister said the government was passing on the benefits of improved regional economic conditions and lower global oil prices. He thanked the public for its patience during the recent economic challenges and said the government was fulfilling its commitment to provide relief. And finally, Pakistan rejected claims made by the Afghan Taliban regarding alleged strikes on terrorist camps inside Pakistan. The Information Ministry described the claims as false and said a rudimentary drone set by the Afghan Taliban entered Pakistan's airspace near Shinko in Khyber district and was immediately neutralized by the Pakistan Air Force's air defense system. The ministry said terrorist camps linked to various militant groups were located inside Afghan territory and accused the Taliban administration of supporting and sheltering such organizations. The response came after the Afghan Taliban claimed to have carried out airstrikes on what they described as terrorist hideouts in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan.